September 11th, 2018. Who can explain this? First of all, this is Google Earth, and it's like a jigsaw puzzle here. They got so many layerings and so much hiding going on of different types of covering up. Like, look at this. Why do they cover stuff up here? What are they hiding? Anyway, Bermuda. I'm looking at this because of Hurricane Florence. No one's talking about, and I came across a very interesting site. Notice the elevation and all these other contributing factors here. As I zoomed in here, where did it go now? Oh, now it's gone. Oh, there's another one. Oh, is that a boat? I saw a chemtrail being sprayed. It was close to the airport. Where's the airport? I gotta get my bearings here. Here it is. Okay, look at this chemtrail being sprayed. But this is so strange. See how it's cut off here? See the line where it's cut off? And as you zoom in, this is totally a chemtrail. Notice the elevation here too. Right now it's saying elevation is 0 feet. How is it 0 feet? I'm looking at a plane. But look at the shadows. What is going on here with these shadows, folks? Who could explain this? I think this is a drone. It's trying to project an image of a plane, but you got a couple layers of shadowing. Looks like the sun is over here. It's what kind of tail is this? I don't know. This is straight up. Why? Actually, I see the shadow there, but why is this shadow here then? If the sun is coming from over here, projecting a shadow. What is this black thing? I don't see any markings. What is this shadow? Is this the floor of the ocean? And then it's projecting some sort of other image here, like a color image. It's like a shadow on top of a shadow, and you zoom in more, it just keeps getting stranger and stranger and stranger. And what's the elevation? Elevation of where my mouse is, it says 2 feet. So is this thing flying 2 feet above the ground? How and why is that? Look at the houses right here. It looks like it's about to crash into the island. And why is nobody talking about Bermuda with Hurricane Florence? Alright, leave your comments below. Investigate this. And the date of this, saying it is 9/14/17 is the date. God bless you.